How to turn on or turn off Dolby Atmos sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Next, we then scroll down and tap on sound quality and effects. At the top, tap on Dolby Atmos. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. When I turn it on, it says downloading update. Or you can tap on it to switch it off. Now tap on the left hand side panel, and here you can choose the various different mode. You can select auto, movie, music, or voice. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.